Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cutie Pie 88. So I'm here today with a quick bun and bang install. I got inspiration from a viral video and I just wanted to see if I could attempt it with these brown blonde colored wefts I got from True and Pure Texture. So y'all, I'm starting off with dirty hair, but here's a picture of my inspiration. Yeah, my hair is dirty right now. It's not the cleanest, but step number one is to put your hair into a ponytail. So I am on my way to brunch and I needed something really quick, and I'm really trying to wear more color, especially when the weather is heating up. Like, I think it'll be so cute to start incorporating color into my hairstyles. And this is going to be like a really bright color blonde at the end, but I'm like, you know what? I ended up feeling it anyway. So let's get right into it. So step one is to go ahead and slick your ponytail up. And I decided to do it pretty far up on my head. I wanted the bun to be really at the top. But yeah, this is going to be really quick and easy, so a short video. But yeah, just stay tuned. Like I said, first things first, slick your bun and slick your edges. All right, so now that you got your ponytail all sleeked up, you want to go ahead and take the wefts. And I haven't dealt with wefts in a long time, y'all. I haven't done a sew-in in a long time. I've been definitely wigging it or like clip-ins lately, but yeah, this is how you start. You actually just need just a few bobby pins and the wefts are all you need, which is really nice for this style. It's very simple and you don't need a lot of products. So all you got to do is wrap. Keep wrapping the wefts around the base of your ponytail, and that's pretty much it. You keep wrapping, and stay tuned so we can get into what I do next as far as how to make the bun and the bangs. All right, so like I said, it's gonna be bright, like it's bright, but I love this color and I love the texture of these wefts as well. Like I said, this hair is from True and Pure Texture, and this is their relaxed natural texture, but it's hand colored into this blonde brown color, and I think it's just absolutely perfect. I love it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna curl the entire ponytail, all the hair, curl it. I actually bumped it under right here, but I'm actually going to switch it up and flip it because this part is going to be your bang. So however you want your bang to be flipped, definitely curl it that way. I wanted a more flipped upward type bang. Now, as y'all can see, y'all can clearly see my ponytail in the back, my dark hair, but you really don't have to worry about the length or color of your own hair with the style because you don't have to worry about it blending or anything. I'm going to show you guys how that's going to be hidden under the bun. You really won't see it. So the next step is just take your hair tie and you're going to, this is where you make your bun. So you're going to want to kind of puff up the hair, and you can make the bun as small or as large as you want. I could have actually made it, the bun a little bit bigger because this is a huge bang and the texture of this hair is really thick. So the bang is going to be really thick. So I didn't have to use the entire weft. Like next time I may use less weft hair just so the bang isn't that thick. But to kind of help with that, I took a lot of hair during this part, and I'm going to wrap it around the base of the bun. You don't have to use this much hair to wrap around the base of the bun, but I did just because I want to make the bang a little bit thinner, just so it's not so much. But that's how you do. You literally wrap it around the base of the ponytail and you just bobby pin it. Bobby pin wherever the hair ends. You may want to double secure that. And like if the fan is kind of sticking out, you see how it's sticking out on the side, I just pinned that down as well. Okay, so the bun is all done. I'm just combing out my bang a little bit, and look how cute this turned out, y'all. So I'm just having too much fun feeling myself right now, and like I'm so proud of myself. This came out so good. And like I said, the original girl that did it, oh my god, it was bomb. So I really had to try it out, and it came out so cute. So here is my shades and my bag for the day. So that's it. I literally have to head out, and in reality this took about 20 minutes to do. So if you like, drop me a comment and be sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned for future videos. All info will be down below in the description box. Thanks for watching.